welcome. Hello, I am Alex. This is my YouTube yoga channel. Welcome, especially if you are new. Please join me for lots of yoga videos. It is a beautiful day in South Florida for this no props required, all levels flow. Let's start standing. At the top of your mat, the top of your space. Bring awareness to the present moment, to the breath. Commit to staying present as you relax the shoulders down, stand tall. Breathe. Inhale, reach the arms wide, lift the arms above your head. Exhale, swan dive forward. Soft bend in the knees. Press to stand, palms touch. Let's do that again. Inhale, arms reach wide overhead. Lift up, lengthen again. Exhale, swan dive forward. Round up, palms together. Whoa, ground's not as even as inside. Let's place the hands on the lower back like you were going to do a modified camel. Palms are up. You will stretch your wrists some here too. Shoulders roll back and down. Lift the chin, breathe in. Let's arch the back and grow taller. Release out. I hope that doesn't blow my stand over. Inhale, reach the arms wide and overhead. Lift up, lengthen. Exhale, fold. Hands down, right foot back, lunge. Left foot back, plank. Downward facing dog. Open up the back, body, legs, upper body. Weight is in the front part of the hands. Lift onto the toes of the left foot. Step the right foot between the hands. Lunge. I bet the sound is all wonky. I'm learning, guys. So we're in a low lunge. Whoa, just a lunge. Back knee lifted. Inhale, lower the left knee, shoulders back. Exhale, try to press the legs straight, pyramid pose. Lunge. Lunge, twist, left hand down, open up to the right. Right hand down. Step up to the top of the mat. Inhale, halfway lift. And fold. Press up. Arms reach wide and overhead. Lengthen up, reach up even taller. Exhale, fold. Hands down, left foot back, lunge. Right foot back, plank. Downward facing. Left foot between the hands. Lower the right knee, shoulders back. Exhale, pyramid pose. Lunge, leave the back knee lifted. Lunge, twist, right hand down, open up to the left. Left hand back down. Forward fold at the top of your mat. Inhale halfway and lengthen over, longer legs. Press to stand. Bring the palms to touch. Face the long edge of the mat. Step your feet wide, hands to hips. Fold forward over separate legs. Inhale, halfway lift. Let's keep the right hand down, lengthen out the spine, twist open to the left. Switch. Right hand down. Bend the left knee, keep both feet flat, knees facing forward. We're stretching the right inner thigh, the outside of the right foot and ankle. Switch sides. Let's go once more to each side. Keep the spine long, the weight forward. And switch. Come back to center. Let's lengthen the spine again. Let's twist again. Right hand down, left arm up. Switch sides. Right hand down. Hands to hips to help yourself up. Heels in, toes out. Bend both knees. One hand on top of each thigh. As you open up the legs, let's officially dip the right shoulder forward. Bring the left one back. Sorry about the wind noise. Switch sides. Come back to center. Press both legs straight, palms touch, find your balance, and step your feet together at the top of the mat. Inhale, arms reach wide and overhead. Exhale, fold. Halfway lift, long, flat back. And from here, hands down, plank pose. I'm going to go be researching one of those little fuzzy mics so I can continue to be outside because I like it. Okay, here comes the talking because I've been moving. Lower down all the way to the mat. Tops of the feet down, cobra. Squeeze the legs strong, lift up halfway. And lower. Press up to a tabletop and back to a child's pose. Connect to the present moment. What do you feel? Where is your mind at? Tabletop. Downward facing dog. Tabletop. One cat cow. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Neutral. Turn to face the long edge of the mat. Left foot in, right foot out. Left arm reaches up and over for a side body stretch. Sit up, switch sides. Find your center and then reach up and over, stretching the right side. Sit up. Bring the left foot in. Roll the shoulders back and down. Roll the head and the neck around. And come back to center. Sit up so tall. Reach the arms wide and overhead. Exhale, float them down, twist to the right. Release through center, arms up. And twist to the left. Closing breath through center, arms reach wide and up. Exhale, hands float down. Gratitude for your presence. Gratitude for every experience. The present moment is an experience. I am grateful for your presence. Thank you, thank you. Namaste. It's a little later in the day for me. I could not sleep last night. I finally got up and started organizing like a junk drawer while watching that new show, or the new season of You. Anyone? Anyone? Um, oh my gosh. And it's technically cold in Florida right now because it's like in the 70s. All right, add me on the social media platform known as Instagram. Check out the random stuff I'm selling on eBay for fun. And let's have a good day. Let's have a good time. Having a good time. Good morning. All right, smoothies.